Today I'm making 2 rolls of beef gimbap. They are tasty, healthy, and affordable, and perfect for enjoying at home or packing in a lunchbox. First, sauté the carrots with just a little oil. It keeps the flavor clean. There's no exact measurement for ingredients, so just start with a handful of carrots per roll and adjust it gradually to suit your taste. In the same pan, cook the beef with a splash of soy sauce. If you don't have soy sauce, season with the salt and pepper instead. Beef gimbap is similar to bulgogi gimbap, but since the seasoning is lighter, there's no need to marinate the beef. Season the rice with the salt and sesame oil. About 2 handfuls of the rice make 2 rolls. Lay the seaweed with the rough texture side up on the rolling mat, then spread the rice over it. The more rice you add, the bigger the gimbap becomes. This is optional step. Extra seaweed on top makes the roll tighter and neater, but it can be a bit chewy. Place the pickled radish, season the burdock, sauté the carrots and beef. Rolling gently, applying just enough pressure to keep it firm. If the end of the seaweed doesn't stick well, place a few grains of rice along the edge. Then lightly brush it with the sesame oil and gently press it to seal it. Lightly brush sesame oil over the roll, or use a spoon if you don't have a brush. When slicing, slide the knife forward gently rather than pressing down too hard. The wide back of the knife makes it easy to move the whole roll of gimbap in one piece. Finish with a sprinkle of sesame seeds. And now it's ready to enjoy.